on my way to get Camille, then probably go to Birmingham to get an engine for his MX-5 again, third engine now, because all it does is break things, but you know, that's what he's like. So I'll just get Camille, then we'll be back. There Camille's cars. Shitbox Mini, which overheats all the time, and an MX that's on the road once every month. Now it's got to wait 6 hours for Camille. Sound. Got the money.
Keys, man.
What's this twat doing?
Car parks.
Has he got a child? Yeah, I'll let him off there.
I'd park there anyway.
I love them lights though. Oh, nice.
Yeah, but it's electric.
Oh, is it? Seatbelt.
Seatbelt. Yeah.
Oh, mate, I'm sorry right here.
Prime skid location.
Yes, it is.
Every time I leave Tesco, right?
Still skin marks. What are you doing on road, you fucking voluptuous whale?
What is that? Yeah. About 2 years ago, I lost my credit card.
Yeah.
Well, I found over there.
Where was it?
Get the engine on. And got food. We'll have to watch me eat now.
Yeah, a little bit. 440i.
You won't gap it.
I still smoke it. In my little van.
In the Fez. Highway maintenance.
Still smoking. Put lights on, hands up.
Don't put lights on.
You'll get out of the way now. Come on, lads.
Can you imagine? Pulls over. Sweating. I feel like shit.
Oh, who's actually in the garage, boys? Then? Who was saying it's in it? Us two, obviously. Devo.
Not Connor.
No, fuck Connor.
Fuck Connor.
Devo, Connor, us two.
That's it, really, isn't it?
That's where it is, isn't it? Arvin doesn't have a car, so.
He does.
Does he?
Collabed and thought that he wrote it off.
No.
Well, he didn't write it off, but it was right.
Oh, fuck you then, Arvin. You can be part of it, Arvin, if they would never see you. Devo's definitely got the quickest.
Oh.
335i 92.
Handing out the cappuccinos in
About
N50.
450 blick.
N55, M54, I don't even know. You're probably going to slap me for saying it the wrong one, so I won't want to say it.
We'll leave some videos of Camille drifting soon.
When I put a new engine in.
Yeah.
Well, to be fair, it's still alright.
You went out overnight, didn't you?
I went out yesterday. Drifting.
Yeah, thanks for the invite.
Yeah, but just always have it on because that's where everyone puts it. They said they were going shelf to clean cars, so I was like, fuck it. It wasn't very good anyway. We were going looking around for places to drift and then coppers just kept turning up. We got followed by the bubble all the way from. He just followed us for ages.
Yeah.
He just followed us.
This is my full flat to ground. It's as fast as it goes. It's fucking limited.
Wait, let go. And put foot down there. You can feel it, it like wants to go and then it stops.
Feel it.
I'll figure it out. Your dad said he won't take it off. I'll take it off. I hope he's not watching it. I'll take it off, Dad.
No, I'm not bothered to be fair, because I don't really want to go faster than this anyway.
Yeah, true. You should probably end up blowing it all.
I know.
To be fair, it's like cruise control, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got a foot down. Perfect speed.
Has it got cruise control?
No. Alarmment's out, so it turns for you.
Who needs Teslas when you can just have bad alignment?
Exactly. Bad alignment on A38, best way. Change things up. Got turn then. There you go, son. Apparently they're banning chameleons now.
Are they?
Yeah, because they can't get you done for actually having chameleons in because it's
They're less than a fly.
yeah, less than fly through. They're getting you done now because apparently they can't see you through it. You've got to be able to see the person driving.
Oh my god. Idiots, aren't they?
Yeah. You can't always see the person driving though.
No, you can't. I think it's more about when you got caught speeding. If you had a chameleon,
Yeah,
and you didn't have a front plate.
Yeah, I could have large 7 grand like I was going to. But fucking hate that.
Again, you know. But you can take it out. It's fun.
Fucking moves about.
I've done the delete. Oh, there's loads of Fanta in there.
What the fuck? Is that Fanta?
That's an added. That's an optional extra. That.
I don't know what that is. That is not Fanta. Piss.
Oh, what about that? That's an optional extra.
Oh yeah.
That was at least £2,000.
Minimum. Same as the bike.
What the fact, whatever you want to call it. The car.
He wanted to go to sea.
Oh, put it in race mode. Money shit.
Where am I going? Straight up.
Yeah, just keep going. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep. We're going all the way to Little Orkian roundabout. Plug the insta.
Yeah. mx5.cam.
Yeah. Race car and then challenge. Hold up, wait a minute.
I know we're not even big at all yet, like it's our first video, but
You never know.
if we'll come and do a car review, come and review your car,
Yeah.
get you in a video if you want,
Yeah, do some car reviews.
take us out in it,
Oh, that's what I was on about,
we'll
look.
get you to score out of 10.
Yeah. DJ. We
Yeah.
bought a Lamborghini. One, don't even know the armrest and this other
I know what you're on about, yeah.
Put 2J in it.
What's that? Just like that?
You know why instead of buying another V10, why put a 2J in it? 2J everything.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we're gonna cut when we're nearly there, because I'm not gonna record for an hour, go through cutting it all.
No, just record a bit and then
Got the engine, gearbox, there for 65k. Sound, feels like a dream to be fair. Who says Fez is a shit? Got to the engine on
got the guts.
and the gearbox. But we just seen a video.
Yeah.
Video with the engine.
So I'll plug the guy that I bought off. Good bargain.
And you can pick up a great bargain. Just have to
Yeah.
Springboard, and that was our
Jesus
item.
Christ.
Young Ideas and Henwell's clothing
Electric.
stores in Derby,
Yeah,
Ashbourne and
that's fine.
Lichfield. Did you
Don't worry
brace
about
the
it.
Boxing Day
Don't worry about
sales?
it, it's
Was it
fine.
worth it? What did you buy? ACA 291 on the text email via bbc.co.uk.
Probably be swapping it. I want to buy some. With a third exit. I'm gonna buy full gasket kit. Obviously, engine oil. I need filters, spark plugs. Get a genuine service. Same with gearbox. And then bang it in. Colour all. Rocker covers. Rocker cover and intake. Paint them. Make it look nice.
Your fingers smell dead dodgy and horrible.
Smells like your mum.
Look at my mum what she's just now.
Smell that.
Dirty bastard.
Sounds Kelly. Fresh engine. Yeah, I'll probably be swapping it like late January. Just swap it.
What was did my dad say he's doing my car first?
Yeah, oh, you're gonna do. Yeah, because I need to buy all gaskets and that. I'm in no rush because the engine that's in it's fine at the minute. I just don't want to take it to get mapped for it to blow up a week later.
Yeah.
It's like on a lot of miles.
Or I win DMO C63S, what I meant to. I win that, I'll just drive when it's short.
Yeah, that'll catch you anyway.
Yeah, I'll catch me.
They probably would because you'd just be spinning it like.
Yeah.
I don't know how many gears they've got, probably 8 I think. Spinning 8. Straight over. I'm very paranoid that I was going to smash your fucking rear window.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Not my car.
You're not breeze.
It's not fucking out. A bit cod from the back there.
Yeah, it's breeze, mate.
Easter, yeah, jacked up.
Oh.
What an idiot.
Go on then. Go on. I'm not going to say it because I'm recording.
Oh no. Oh, he bent somewhere.
I'm glad I was about to say something there.
You fucking...
Birmingham's wang. Oh god, what crease you got up on? That's what ramming us outrageous.
Yeah.
Birmingham is actually shit. Oh, look at this beast that's coming. Ooh. RS6. Wrapped in green.
You want racing?
I am trying.
Send it. I'm sending it.
I am sending
Floor it.
It is
flooring
it is being sent.
It is being sent. Is he that minute?
Yeah. It is being sent.
That's so annoying.
What?
That.
I know.
Creeps.
Look, no one knows what lane they're in. I don't, but they're not. They're across the lane. That's how it is.
Rabbit, please, rabbit. Putting around asking. Up, Bob. Good car, man.
He's got Stoney on. Fucking hell.
Has he?
Don't look.
Oh. Good car, man. What is that, Ferrari?
Looks like Jordan Randall.
Got Stoney on. Don't mess with him.
That is nice.
Clearing his back.
Bang it. Look how big brakes are. Monsters.
Well. Wow. Oh, look at me, I've got an RS6.
Yeah, well, I've got Fez.
Can't hear it.
What lane? Are people going?
What is going on?
Can't afford to clean it though, can you? Oh, it's because someone else
my
broke
god!
down.
Why is it with people breaking down? They don't buy bags.
Oh, I was saying all lanes.
In the lot.
I'm having a lot. Speed cameras are invented there.
I know, I need to go find it invented. Oh.
There's only a couple of electric cars I'd actually own. The Tesla Model S Plaid. That's definitely one of them.
That e-tron GT.
Rimac Navara.
Yeah.
Fucking that Rimac. Definitely.
What about that little car
Yeah.
that went round Goodwood?
Yeah.
Mate, you seen
Goodwill. Goodwill, isn't it? Not Goodwood.
whatever it's called.
Got Goodwood.
No, I swear it's Goodwood
I
Festival.
suppose it's Goodwill Festival.
I will have to search it up. What's his name that went in it?
Person just Carlisle.
Yeah, Matt.
What the fuck's his name? Matt somewhere, yeah.
I swear it's Goodwood Festival of Speed. Yeah, Goodwood.
Is it?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah. You see him when he went in it, it was like this.
I know, yeah, shit, it's the quarter mile is 7 points from a second.
Ah, that's ridiculous.
That is fucking broken. It's a glitch.
It just goes, doesn't it?
Yeah, because it's got them fans on bottom, hasn't it? It sucks it into the ground.
Yeah.
I do like the Lucid Air. Lucid Air is nice.
The what?
The Lucid Air.
Right.
Tesla killer.
Then what about them Honda things that they got a plug in?
Oh yeah, they're like back ones in.
Play that was while I was driving.
They're quite good. Quite a few nice electric cars to be fair.
I still never owned one. You just can't be a good time shifting a pop. Wow, pop, 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 pop.
Right, but if you got offered the Rimac, you'd take it.
Yeah. Just I'd gap everything and then sell it. Are they even road legal? I don't think they are.
I think they are. That little one is.
Oh, I know that is.
Imagine seeing that on the road next year.
Yeah. Yeah, but I bet the range is about 100 miles.
I mean, it's not a lot.
Just see that zooming past. I bet it's stupid.
Yeah. And we're going to skip to when we get an engine out at garage. So we're not obviously not one. We're back.
Yo,
Now we need to get it out. This is going to be
without an
a little
engine crate.
bit. Yeah. We're going to use pure muscle. Pure strength. Alright.
So,
What's our
Catch.
next video going to be? Probably drifting or something.
Yeah, just do
Or just to piss about.
some random skids and that. We'll,
So it's only our first video, so it probably will be like shit, boring, whatever, but
yeah, just a little vlog,
got,
getting engine running.
plenty of stuff to come.
Yeah, do some skids and engine swaps and
Yeah,
more
gonna
power.
record an engine swap, post some episodes on that.
If I'm ever at garage by
Yeah.
myself, I can record a few.
Yeah, we'll do a few episodes on that, not gonna do it all in one.
Yeah, no. Keep videos short and
yeah.
sweet.
And drifting, so this video will probably be like 15 minutes. It's just the first one.
15 minutes of idiots.
Yeah. Next one, hopefully with all three of us. Me, Camille, Connor. That's already laugh at it.
Yeah.
And you get Devo in. Try and get a video in his 335R and get some videos of that.
When he fixes it.
When he fixes
it works for once.
Yeah.
Because race car.
Then we'll get some inside povs of the MX. Yeah.
Get some inside povet highway maintenance.
Yeah. Got some work to come on my C30 as well, so I'll record some of that.
Yeah, get a few
Doing exhaust and that on that, so I'll get some videos on that.
Yes, bodging it.
Yeah, bodging it up. So yeah. Sam.